Hi students, today we can study exercise 12.2 question number 11. Our question is, a car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees. Find total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. First we can draw that figure in one side. If you consider only one blade, this much area, then second blade, then here angle given, then in here also 115 degree. The length of blade is 25 centimeter. You can write in here 25 centimeter. Just start solution. Here that is 25 centimeter. Right. Here a length of blade, that is, just consider radius r equal to 25 centimeters. This is radius only when you consider this sector. That time this r we can write 25 centimeter. Then an angle also given, we can write sector angle theta equal to 115 degrees. 115 degrees. Since two blades is there, the total area of the sector made by blades. In this figure you can see this is one sector only, this like two sectors is there. Then total area of the sector made by blades 2 into, why we are using 2 means we have two sectors is there, 2 into, then area of sector which is formula, that is theta by 360 pi r square. Theta 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square. Then all the values you can give in here. Two into theta is 115 divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi means in question they are not given pi value, that's why we can write 22 by 7 into r square. Radius is 25 square. Then 2 into 115 360. (25) square means 25 into 25. 25 into 25. Using by 5 we can cancel. In 25 how many times 5? 5 times. Then 360. In 360 5, in 36 5 7 times, then 1, that means 10. In 10 2 times. Two, cut it. In 7 2 3 times, then 12 6 times. Again you can cancel this 36 and 22 using by 2. 1 1 here, 1 8 18. Now remaining numbers you can multiple. 115 into 11 into 25 into 5. Let's multiple all the numbers. 115 into 11. 115, 115, 1, 2, 6, 5 into 25. 25, 5 into 5, 25, remainder 2. 5 into 6, 30 plus 2, 32. Remainder 3. 5 into 2, 10 plus 3, 13. Remainder 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. This by 2, 10. Remainder 1. 12 plus 1, 13. Remainder 1. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1, 5. Then 2. 5, 2, 6, 11, 3. Into again one more number is there, that is 5. Into 5 also. 25, remainder 2. 10 plus 2, 12. Remainder 1. 30 plus 1, 31. 3. 5 into 1, 5 plus 3, 8. Then 15. You'll get 1, 5, 8, 1, 2, 5. Divide by 18 into 7. Denominator, we can multiple 18 into 7. 7 into 8, 56. 5. 7 into 1, 7 plus 5, 12. 126 centimeter square. 158125 divided by 126 centimeter square. That is our answer. Now we can see question number 12. To warn ships for underwater rocks, a lighthouse spread a red colored light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16 kilometers. Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. First we can draw one figure, one circle. In here one lighthouse is there, we can write that is O. Then only this shaded region only light will spread, only this shaded region. Then in here 16.5 kilometer already given in here. Then angle also given 80 degree. Two things given. Solution. Let O means position O be the position of lighthouse. Position of lighthouse. Then here radius will be the distance which light spread. It will be R equal to 16.5 kilometer. This is our radius. This much distance only light will spread. Then O2 up to here. Then that will be radius. Then sector angle already given. Sector angle theta equal to, theta already given, that is 80 degree. And we have to find out area of this sector. Total area of the sea, over which the shifts are 1. Shifts are 1. This part already is there in your question. If you check, you can see last part. Same thing you can write. Equal to area of sector. Area of sector is area. Then area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. All the values we can give. Theta is 80 degree divided by 360 into pi. Pi value in question they are given 3.14. Don't use 22 by 7. 3.14 into radius. Radius is 16.5 whole square. 16.5 whole square. Zero and zero cancel. Using by 4 directly you can cancel. In here 9 times, 2 times. Using by 4 means. Then remaining part we can write 2 divided by 9 into 3.14 into 16.5 into 16.5. We can cancel this 9 and 16.5 using by 3 and 16 5 times and again 15 5 times. 3 and 15 here 5. Then multiple 3.14 into 2. 8, 2, 6. Then into 55, 55. That point just leave it. 5 into 8, 40, 10 plus 4, 14, a remainder 1, 30 plus 1, 31. Here is in same 5, 3, 1, 4, 0. Same number will get 0, 4, 5, 4, 3. Into again one more 5.5, 5, 5, 0, 20, remainder 2, 25, 27, remainder 2, 20, 22, 15, 17. Again you will get same number 17270 because we are using same 5. 0079981 1899700. Then after point here 1 2 3 4 numbers. 1 2 3 4 numbers. Then after point last number 0 means no need to write. 189.97 kilometer square. That is our area. Now we can see question number 13. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure. One figure also given in question. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, find the cost of making the designs at the rate of rupees 0.35 per centimeter square. Use root 3 equal to 1.7. In here, in this figure, like it, it's like lines, 3 lines, 3 diameters. Then center is, we can write O, then give name A and B. Center is O, and here A, the side is B. Then you can write total number of equal sector equal to, in here how many sector is there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. We can write 6. Then sector angle theta equal to in here, what is sector angle in here? How much angle? You know, total circle 360 degree. Then that 360 we are dividing equally 6 parts. That means divide by 6. 360 divided by 6. That means you will get one angle. Then 36, 60. That means you will get 60 degree. One angle is 60 degree you will get. Total is 360 degree. Then this 360 degree we are going to divide equal 6 parts. That's why divide by 6. Now we can consider in triangle OAB. We'll consider only this triangle OAB and angle OAB equal. Look, angle OBA, that means this angle. That angle and this OAB, this one. The two angles are equal. What is this? This is radius. This one also radius. Then these sides are equal means opposite angles also equal, isn't it? That's why we can write OBA and OAB equal in right bracket as OB and OA is equal. That is radius of it. Then angle OBA plus angle OAB plus, that means these two angles, then third angle is 60 degree plus 60 degree equal to, if you add three angles in a circle, in a triangle, you will get 180 degree. Sum of the angles in a triangle. Sum of the angles in a triangle. That is the reason. Sum of the angles in a triangle will get 180 degree. Then angle OBA plus angle OBA equal to 180 minus 60. This OBA, this place also we can write OBA because OBA and OAB equal. That means in here also we can write same angle OBA. Two angle OBA plus angle OBA, we can write 2 angle OBA equal to 180 minus 60 is 120. Angle OBA equal to 120. 2 bring to right side, that will be divided by 2 equal to 120 divided by 2 is 60 degree. Now we can see all the angles are equal. In here 60, these two angles also 60. All the angles are equal means we can write therefore triangle OBA, this triangle is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. This equilateral triangle. Then here radius of circle given in question, that is 28 centimeter. That is 28 centimeter. Then area of descent. Area of descent. First we will find out total area of circle. Area of circle minus, we will find out total area of circle minus how many triangles is there? 6 you can see. Minus 6 into triangle O, 6 into area AR, area of triangle OBA. 6 triangles are equal, that's why we can write 6 into area of triangle OBA. First find out total area of this circle, then minus 6 into area of triangle, one triangle. 6 means because 6 equal triangles is there. Then area of circle is pi r square minus 6 into area of triangle, equilateral triangle, that formula is root 3 by 4 side square. Root 3 by 4 side square. Then pi means not given in question, 22 by 7 we can write. Into r square, r is 28 square minus 6 into root 3 by 4 into side square. One side, this is one side and radius is equal. That's why we can write side also 28. 28 square. 22 by 7 into 28 square is 28 into 28 minus 6 into root 3 value is 1.4. 28 square we can write 28 into 28. Then 7 and 28 cancel 4 times. Then 4 and 28 cancel 7 times. Then you can multiple. If you multiple these numbers, you will get 2, 4, 6, 4. 22 into 28 into 4. And then next 6 into 1.7 into 28 into 7. If you multiple, you will get 1999.2. Then subtract 2464. 2464 point 0 1999.2. Then 10 minus 2 8 3 13 minus 9 is 4. Then 15 minus 9 6. Then here remaining 3. 13 minus 9 4. 464.8 centimeter square. This will be area of design. Now cost of design equal to area of design, that is 464.8 into per centimeter square 0.35 rupees, already given in question. This is multiple 464.8 into 0.35. That time we will get answer 162.68. 162.68. That will be our answer. This is our last question, one multiple choice. In this question, area of sector of angle P in degrees. That means theta is P. Then of a circle with radius R. Radius given, radius, that is R. These two things given. Then we can see what is area of sector. Area of sector formula you know. Area of sector, that is theta by 360 into pi r square. Give it all values in here. P is theta, 360, then pi, small letter r, instead of that we can write capital letter R. P divided by 360 pi r square. Check it in answers. P divided by 360 pi r square. A not there because no r square. Then in here, this is 180, we need 360. Then you will not get. In here 360 is there, but 2 also extra, not C. Then remaining D. This 2 and 720 just cut it, you will get 360. P divided by 360 pi r square. P divided by 360 pi r square. That means our answer is D.